I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Look. With Mielle cracked. Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sheila, best known as La Shade Curls. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Hola amigos, mi nombre es Sheila, más reconocida como La Shade Curls. Y si es nuevo a mi canal, bienvenido. No se olvide de suscribirse a mi canal. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment what you think, you know. So today, as you can see, I finally got my hair products. Like, they had a sale for Black Friday. It took forever for them to come, and it's not their fault. I understand, you know, the whole holiday stuff, and you know, we got COVID going on. But let me tell you, I finally got the Mielle. I got Mielle, so I got Mielle. Got it. I want to know what is going on with this. Like, what's going on with them? Like, everybody talk about it, and it's like crack. So I want some crack too. You know, crack for my hair. Anyway, let's get started. Let me unbox this now. Oh, I finally got it. Oh my god. All right, they got all this stuff here. Okay. Oh, Jingle Jangle Netflix. I watched this movie. This holiday season, we partnered with Netflix to promote Jingle Jangle and Christmas Journey. This movie, listen, I don't know how many times my daughter watched this movie. I loved it. Like, it's so, I like that one. I want to try this one. Oh my god. The braided Afro puff. Yeah, I'm so proud to be Afro-Latina, like, you don't even know. All Afros, Afro-Americans, everywhere, we, you know, we poppin'. Like this one. Anything is possible. I love this movie. I actually love this movie. And, woo! Woo! Please, if you want to see what is in this box, don't forget to subscribe once again. No pierda más tiempo, okay? Suscríbete a mi canal. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss the next giveaway, okay? Okay, now let's get started. So, okay. I received this. Is Mielle pomegranate and honey moisturize and detangling shampoo. Okay, and let me see. Oh, I was expecting you. Oh my gosh. Shoot, I'm washing my hair today. I'm gonna wash my hair. And this one is the leave-in conditioner. It's pomegranate and honey to moisturizing curls, premier and detangling for thick curly type for hair. Okay. Let me see if you can see. Oh, I was about to say, did I order the same thing? Like, what? Why I'm getting the same thing? Anyways, this is a curl smoothie. So definition for thick and curly for type. For type. And I got this one right here. Is mongongo oil hydrating conditioner, protein free. I like it a lot. That's it. This big box for nothing. I got a big box for nothing. Listen, it. Oh my god. Oh, I got more. Okay, I got more. Okay, did I order the same thing? I definitely did. Shoes. I ordered the same thing. I ordered the same thing. Damn it. No. If they're good, this is my first time using Mielle. If they're good, I'm not returning them. So I ordered this one as well. Mielle Dip Conditioner. Barbasso and Mint. It's for dry and damaged hair. I'm gonna try this. Listen, I'm going. After this, I'm going to wash my hair. Like, seriously. And with the Mielle, I got this treatment. The rice water collection split ends therapy. Split ends therapy. It's so weird. I bought it, you know, because the therapy for split ends is just, you know, you need to cut and that's it. But it's probably, you know, giving you some, it's helping you. It's helping your hair. Smells good. Okay, Mielle. Okay, Mielle. Okay. So, this is just my unboxing. Mielle. Please don't forget to like, comment down below what you think. If you ever tried Mielle before, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for your next giveaway. Please participate. I want to thank you. Happy New Year's. Thank you. Adios.